Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we are back with another video. You are watching Forex Detective and I am your host Muhammad Khan. So let's start our new video. So today we are going to analyze the XAUUSD, gold and some other pairs including the DXY. And first of all, let me show you the fundamentals that we are going to face this week. So on 21st November, we don't have any data that is going a serious cause in the market. So on November 22, still we don't have any serious data, but I see a high impact data for the AUD, and some on 23rd November we have high impact news for the NSD and the Euro and the GBP and the USD as well. That is the flash services. After that, on November 24th, Thursday, we have the high impact news, that is the FOMC meeting. And we have a bank holiday as well. So in the starting of the market, that we can expect that it is going to make some serious moves till the FOMC meeting. After that, the movement is expected that it's going to be very slow. So on the last day of this week, on Friday, November 25th, we don't have any special news. So this was the fundamental analysis. Let's move toward the technical analysis now. So first of all, we will discuss about the DXY, that what are the situations that we are going to face. Let's move towards the daily time frame first. Okay, so as I can show you here, the dollar was continuously in the upward trend move till the September 29th, means from the new month, from the October, it changed the trend. As you can see here, it's changed the trend and it breaks out the last demand zone. We can call this the break of structure also. So after the breaking of this structure, it is moving towards the retracement area. So we can expect that dollar is going to follow the bullish moves to complete its retest, and after that it is going to fall down. And the second scenario that is going to face that we are going to face is, just one second, that we are going to face is if it's reject from this area. Let me remove it first. According to it, it is going to complete its retest at this area, then it is going to follow the sell trend, and if it happens, then we can say that this could be our left shoulder, the head, and as you can see, it's rejecting from the same level, so it's possible that it will create its right shoulder here, and after the retest it is going to follow the head and shoulders also. So let's move towards the H4 as well. Just one second. Okay, so in the H4 time frame, you can see here that it followed this trend line very strongly, and you can say that this is a demand zone, and here we have one more thing. We can say that this area, this is currently following the ascending triangle, the descending triangle. Descending. Okay, let me type it. Okay, so we have the descending triangle situation, and as you can see here, this is the breakout and the retest. After that, it is going to follow the same SL trend again. Okay, so now let's move towards the shorter time frame. Let's move towards the M30. Alright, so first of all, in the M30, let me show you. Well, let's move towards the H1. Here, we can say that this is the head and shoulder, this is our right shoulder, and it is going to follow. It is going to follow the uptrend. So it's expected that it is going to follow the the bullish move till this point, so it can complete its retest in the higher time frames and the head and shoulder in the shorter time frames. So this was the analysis for the DXY. So after that, let's move towards the goal. Let's see here, what do we have? Let's move towards the daily time frame. We have similar things here, as I have told you in my previous video. First of all, this is our first region. Here it has completed the 5 impulse waves of the Elliott waves, and after that we can say that it is the ABC, and we can also say that it is going to make the A. After that, it is going to fall down, and it will complete the C at this point. So the scenario that we are going to face that is that it is going to follow the move, something like this. So after that, the reason for the buy, long-term buy, is that if I am going to put a trend line from this area and a horizontal line at this point. So as you can see here, that it is a very strong level. And we can expect that the retracement area could be 1731, and it will possibly reject from this point, or after this area we can say that if it breaks this 1731, then we can say that this level 1676, this is the strong level that I am expecting that it is going to retest till this point, and after that it is going to follow the bullish trend. So these were the reasons in the daily time frame. Let me check out the RSI as well. I think we have this buying divergence also. Okay, here as you can see, it's in the bullish trend and it is in the bearish trend, so that means the thing as the indicator is indicating that the next thing that is going to happen is it is going to follow the bullish trend. Alright, now let's move towards the H4. Okay. In H4, we can say that first of all this is the double bottom, and after that as you can see here, this is a good demand zone, that this area which was reacting as the resistance area, as you can see here, this area was acting as the resistance. After the breakout, it's possible that it will react as the support. So this was the first scenario, and after that if it breaks out this area, means this area if it's breakouts this area, then the second area could be this, the 1692 to this area. If it projects, then we can expect that it is going to follow the bullish trends from the 1685 or from the 1680, from the 1680 and the 1690. Okay, let's move in the lower time frame, then M30. First of all, as you can see here, this area, as you can see here, there is a lot of rejection. It was reacting as the support. As you can see here, it was this area, that is the 1757 till the 1752. In the shorter time frame, it was reacting as the support, but it managed to break this and heading towards the retracement area. That could be the 1753. We can expect that it will complete the retest at the 1753. After that, it has break out the trend line, and we can expect that it is going to follow the sell trend. So we have a good opportunity for the sale. As I have showed you in my previous video, if you have watched that, I was in the sale from the 1685, and alhamdulillah we are in the profit around 500 pips plus pips, because we have 2 entries running. So this was the first thing. After that, the second scenario that we have is here. It can possibly follow the movements like this, to reach the upper trend line, then it will follow the sell trend. So in the current situation, if we talk about the sale, the entry can be taken that in the way that let me show you. You can consider it as a free signal, or if you want the proper signal, you can join the premium channel, so you know when to enter and when to exit. You will reach the proper signal there. So what I'm saying is that is the situation like this. It's going to follow this. So these are the analysis for the XAUUSD gold and the DXY. Let's check out the Bitcoin as well. Let's move in the higher time frames first. Alright, so in the higher time frame, as you can see, it has broken the support and it completed the retest. So it's possible that it is going to fall down, as I have told in the previous videos. And alright, perfect. Sorry. Okay. So we can expect the movements like this, and after that it is going to follow the sale trend. Okay, so in the daily time frame we have this, and let's move towards the H4. Here we have impulse, correction, impulse. As you can see that it is our impulse, and we have the correction in the symmetrical triangle form. Correction, and after that it is going to follow the impulse again. Let's check out the M30. Okay, the current level is very strong, and we can say that this is the double bottom. You can expect some bullish move till the 16,800 or maybe 16,000, almost 17,000, and second scenario, we have a breakout and the retest that is going to follow the sale trend. So I would say that the good entry would be from daily time frame. This could be the good entry to enter from this point with stop loss of the 1961 and with a TP of almost 93 9566, because let's move towards the as you can see, this area is a strong one, and if it's going to break this, that is a very impossible. But if it breaks, then we can expect that it is going to follow sale to the 3600, but it's very impossible that it is going to fall down to this point. So we can expect that our next target will be 9800, and after that it's a long-term buy. As you can as if you know, if you are trading crypto, that whenever the Bitcoin makes its lows, it makes almost double of the top. So we can expect from 9800, it is almost going to reach 83,000. That is a very long-term buy. So in the end of the video, I would like to invite you to join our premium channel that we are providing services on Telegram, and we are providing the services for the account management. If you want to manage your account, if you don't have the time, and if you are scared of losses, so don't worry, we are here for you. And if you are passionate about the learning of the Forex and you want to be an independent trader, so I invite you to join our Forex classes. We have recently launched the Forex classes, and we have only limited slots left. So book your seats now and contact us on the Telegram for further details. So see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.